Hello everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate, or I'm going to show something that is technically super easy to fix it for some people. For some other ones it could be a struggle, but anyways, I'm going to show how to fix, or how to change better, the negative terminal battery. In my situation, I'm going to change them both. My negative was really bad. The car is 2003 model. Okay, it's 2003 model, and it's 178,000 miles, so it's time for that to get changed. So in this way I'm going to change them both, and the negative here, which is coming all the way new by itself, and also the positive, which is coming just the terminal, because as most of you know, this thing is going inside to the engine wiring, so we can't do anything else about that, just to change the terminal here, the head here, the terminal here. So it can be a struggle. It can be really sometimes bad, because you have to pay attention. Most of the times those things are old. You need to be careful what you cut, and no overcutting things. So sometimes it's good taking advice, watching different videos on YouTube, and making sure you're doing the right thing. So as I said here, the negative terminal is coming with two grounds. Technically the negative is a ground itself, so it's coming with two grounds. On some of the cars, I have another one, Toyota Corolla, has two spots for ground. Okay, the same one for this one, for the Ford Escape 2003 model, V6 engine, and the one is the ground here, and another one is supposed to be somewhere here, but because of the electric boxes here, the sparky boxes here, so I'm decided I'm going to put it in this weird spot, but still it can be considered ground, because of course it's going to the body, and it's tied up really hard and nice. So let's go then. So we're going to, this is already done, so I installed that from yesterday. So now we're gonna go and work on this one. We have to open that thing here. That terminal is a bad one, and install also another one that I have inside. As you see, it's a little hard to get this terminal out. That is a long time. It's already from the car, when the car got manufactured, so 20 something years. It's normal. Okay, working on it to get it out. And yes, it's out. It's out. So now what we have to do, we have to make sure tied up this terminal, those wirings. The wiring is in a good condition, I can say. Even it's old, it's pretty good. Now we're gonna install a new terminal. So the reason why I'm changing this one is because a week ago I went to start my car, like every morning, to go to work, and my car was not starting. And I saw that the negative terminal was completely loose and was cracked also here, the old one. I don't have it anymore, I throw it away. And also the positive also was cracked too, and it was time to get changed. So let's go. So here's in the new terminal. We smashed it here, this part of the terminal here. Some pliers here, you know, try and tidy it up, like smash it how hard as possible. And now we're gonna put the battery, we're gonna install the battery and to see what's going on, so to see what we did. So now we installed and the battery. See, we put it a brand new terminal, plus, and also a brand new negative. Okay, now we're gonna try to see what did we do. Okay, and also I want to show you how to prevent that and what are the symptoms. The reason why I'm making this video is not just to make a video just for a terminal for the battery, but it's really important because specifically for this car, for Ford Escape, I have been searching know how to change a terminal. I know how to change a terminal, and not just to change a terminal, I'm building engines and doing everything myself to my cars. But I searched on YouTube, on Google, and it doesn't say anything about the Ford Escape. And I wanted to make something for the Ford Escape to help some people, because the more tricky part, or the more tricky thing, is the ground has two, so you have to make sure you connect them both, the ground, both the spots, because yes man, the most of them, they say, oh, it's enough one ground and it'll be good to go, like we'll start the car. Yeah, it may start the car, but it may not have enough ground to run all the car, like all the engine and the radio and everything else it has to do, or the heater, everything. With the windows, you'll have some problems also with the windows. The windows will not go fast how they used to go, and this is because it has only one ground, and it's really important. It's a reason why Ford required two spots on this negative terminal. Okay, so that's the reason I wanted to make this video, so I can help some people understand that it's not just one spot. Connect both spots on the wiring and it should be good to go, the car. So let's start the car now. Let's see what's going on. And okay, yeah, so one thing now here. Yep, as I was just saying, last time I didn't have enough power. I had power on the dashboard here, but I didn't have enough power for the radio, for the windows and everything else. So of course no power enough even to start the car. So let's see now. Yep, so that's it. It's easy, nice and beautiful if you make everything how is required by Ford. Because too many people, they make really nice videos, specialists, bunch of mechanics that they have a lot of viewers or a lot of subscribers. But here it's not just about viewers or subscribers, it's to help people. It is to help people how to make things work and work in the right way. Of course, here. Yep, working nice and smooth. So if any of you got hope by this video, or you liked the video, just give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe me if you really like it, and I promise I'm gonna do more video which are simple, nice, and really productable, really good to help people. Like, all I said is just to help, and maybe some people are getting struggled there out, and their cars are not running, or even no starting at all, or not running good. So let's help them. So let's make sure everything is tidied up, nice and beautiful, and is good to go. Okay, so have a good one, everyone, and thank you very much for watching the video. See you until the next video.